Hello students. In the last session we had been discussing about functions and examples. Today we shall see some more examples. See, let f is a function from natural number to natural number. Two sets are given, natural number to natural number. Be defined by f of n. This is a function in n. F of n equals to n plus 1 by 2 if n is odd, and f of n is equal to n by 2 if n is even for all small n belonging to capital N, that is set of natural numbers. State whether the function f is objective. Is it objective function? Justify your answer. Okay, so here a set of natural number is given. So let us put the numbers, that is natural numbers. So as f of n equals to n plus 1 by 2 if n is odd and n by 2 if n is even. Okay, n belongs to natural number. So put n equals to 1. First list natural number 1. So f of 1 gives us, if n is odd, put here n is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 upon 2, that is 2 upon 2 is 1. So image is 1. So image of 1 is 1. It means 1 is relative set of natural numbers under this function f of n. 1 is relative with 1. Now put n is equal to 2 even number, so then the function f of n is equal to n by 2. So f of 2, that is 2 by 2, again you are getting 1. So in the set of domain, 2 is again relative with the number 1. It means two numbers are relative with number 1. So this function is not 1 1. It is many one function. If it is not 1 1, so it will not be a bijective function, because bijective function means it should be 1 1 and onto. So it fails here. Therefore this function is not bijective function, that is 1 1 and onto. Fails here. Okay. Then can you check for onto function? Onto again 2 3 4 5 ऐसे रिजल्ट मिलेंगे हमको. क्या सारे के सारे नंबर्स इधर के रिलेट हो सकते हैं? यस, सारे नंबर रिलेट हो सकते हैं. क्या देखिए 1 2 लगाया मैंने, 1 मिल गया. 2 कैसे मिलेगा? 4 by 2, that is you will get 2. 3 कैसे मिलेगा? यहाँ 5 रखो, 5 ऑड नंबर, 5 plus 1 by 2 3 मिलेगा. 4 कैसे मिलेगा? यहाँ 8 पुट किया तो 4 मिलेगा. It's all the numbers are relative with some numbers in the domain. It means it is onto. It is onto function means complete codomain is a set of onto, but it is not 1 1. So it is not 1 1 and onto. Not 1 1 and onto. Because for bijective function it should be 1 1 and onto function. So this is not bijective function. Take another example. Let R be a function. Let f be a function from a set R to R. We define as f of x equals to x raised to the power 4. Choose MCQ questions. Choose the correct answer. Number 1, that is number 1 is f is 1 1 1 1 onto. Number 2, f is many 1 onto. F is many 1 and onto. Third is f is 1 1, it is 1 1 but not onto. And fourth is f is neither 1 1 nor onto. Okay, so check this. Here f of x is x raised to the power 4. Let us check for 1 1. Here f of x equals to x raised to the power 4. This function is defined on to set real number to real number. You can take any kind of real number here. So that is y equals to x raised to the power 4. Therefore, here if I put here you are having two sets, real number and real numbers. So 1 minus 1 2 minus 2 3 minus 3 1 all numbers are having here. Okay, so here you can put any number from the set of the domain. Put x equal to 1 here, so you will get answer 1. Put x equal to minus 1, the minus 1 the power 4 means minus 1 whole square, again it is plus 1. So it is not 1 1 because two numbers are relating with 1 and minus 1 has image 1. So it is many 1 function. So it is not 1 1 function, not 1 1. Next, check for onto function. Whether all the numbers in the codomain are relating. Is it the range of the function as complete codomain? So if I put here any number from this domain, shall we get minus 1 or minus 2 or minus 3 answer? No, because x raised to the power 4 as the power of x is even number, so you will always get here positive answer. Y equals to positive numbers, positive real numbers. That means the values of y in the set of codomain function, that is negative values, are not relating with this function. So it is not onto function. Means it is neither 1 1 nor onto. So f is neither 1 1 nor onto. So this fourth option is correct. F is neither 1 1 nor onto. The next question. Let f is a function from R to R is be defined as f of x equals to 3x. Choose the correct answer. So Option A is f is 1 1 1 1 on 2. Option B is f is many 1 on 2. Option C is f is 1 1 but not on 2, but not on 2. And option D is f is neither 1 1 nor on 2, nor on 2. So see, so here f of x equal to 3x is given. F of x equals to 3x, and this function is defined on two sets, that is real number to real number. Means you are having here all real numbers here. Here also you are having all the real numbers. This is a function, yeah, from real number to real number. So here all the number plus 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2, half, minus half, all numbers are there. Here also the all the real numbers are there. 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2, 3, minus 3, minus half. All the numbers are present in codomain also, because it is a set of real numbers. So if you put here the value of x, I can put, that is y means range of the function. So y is equal to 3x. So let us put the value of x as 1. If I put x equal to 1, y is equal to 3. So 1 will relate with 3. If I put x equal to minus 1, then y equal to minus 3 is also present. If I put x equal to 2, then you will get 6. So I can put all the values here. So it is 1 1. If I put minus 3 by 2 is also there. So all the values in the domain of the function are having the images, different images. Therefore it is 1 1, or we may check f of x equal to 3x. Let x1 x2 belongs to first set, that is real number set. Then if f of x1 equal to f of x2, if f of x1 equal to f of x2, so we must show that x1 should be equals to x2. So f of x1 means 3x1 equal to 3x2, cancelling these 3, therefore x1 equal to x2. Yes, f of x1 and f of x2 are equal, then x1 and x2 are also equal. So it is 1 1 function. For onto function, here all the values, if I put here plus positive real number, so you will get a positive answer, and negative numbers are also present here in the domain of the set. If I put a negative answer, you will get negative answer. So it means all the values in the codomain are also relating with some values of the first set. That is, it is onto also. So this function is 1 1 and onto. Option 1 is correct. 1 1 and onto. Now, we see the next is composition of two functions. Composition of two functions. Composition of two functions. What is the composition of two functions? It is a combination of two functions. Actually, combination, not addition here. The composition of two functions. So let us take an example in our textbook. Suppose the students of class 10th are appearing CBSE board examination. Students. So let us take some examples in the some name of the students in the first set. For example, let us take Prathamesh, Madhukar, for example Divya, okay, then Prajjot, okay. So 4 students are there in set A, and when they appear the examination, board assigns roll numbers to them. Boards roll numbers allotment करता है. Suppose their roll numbers are taken set B. Some roll numbers are, for example, forward 2, 3, 5, 6, 9. Forward 2, 3, 5, 6, 1. Forward 2, 3, 5, 6, 2. Forward 2, 3, 5, 6, 4. Suppose like that. For example, roll number of Prathamesh is 4, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 1. Roll number of Madhukar is suppose 4, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 9. Roll number of Divya is 4, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 4. And roll number of Prajjot is 4, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 2. Now, after the completion of examination, in order to maintain the confidentiality of the answer sheets, board deface the roll numbers on your answer sheet. When that answer sheet will be sent to the evaluator or valuer. So बोर्ड क्या करेगा, आपके जो आंसर शीट है उसके ऊपर जो आपका रोल नंबर होता है उसको डिफेस करेगा, कोडिंग करेगा, ताकि वैल्यूअर या इवेल्युएटर ये पता ना कर सके कि कौन से लड़के का, कौन से स्टूडेंट का ये पेपर है. ओके, सो फॉर कॉन्फिडेंशियलिटी, so suppose some code numbers are assigned here to their answer sheet. For example, I am taking any code number starting from 1 to 3. 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 9, 1, 2, 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4 suppose. For example, and here the code number of this Prathamesh is this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Code number of 4, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 1 is this. Code number of this number is this, and code number of this roll number is this suppose, for example. Okay, now here two sets are given, set A and set B. Let there is a relation, that is a function between these two sets, because the students in set A are having their roll numbers. So under this function they are related. Then again C set is there. So let this is function G suppose. Okay. Now if I take a general element in the first set, that is x, x ले लिया, तो under the function f, इधर जो मिलेगा आपको f of x मिलेगा, उसका आंसर इस x का जनरल एलिमेंट x का आंसर क्या है, तो अंडर दिस फंक्शन f of x y की वैल्यू हो जाएगी. ठीक है, अभी यहाँ पर हियर द डोमेन ऑफ द फंक्शन g, अभी सेकंड फंक्शन चालू हो गया, तो इस g फंक्शन का जो डोमेन है ये वाला सेट बनेगा, इसको भूल जाओ नहीं, क्योंकि जहाँ पे ये दो सेट थे, फंक्शन f था तो इसका डोमेन x था, तो ये आंसर आपको f of x मिला है. ओके, नाउ फॉरगेट दिस, सपोज देयर आर दिस टू सेट्स, then here for another function g is there, so its domain will be f of x. Therefore here the image of this f of x under the function g will be g of f of x, g of f of x, and this is the composition of function. So you will get direct from a to c, from a to c g of f of x, and this g of f of x is denoted as g circle f of x, or simply g circle f. So g circle f means g of f of x. So this is the composition of function, and g circle f is a function from A to C. So if I put the domain of set A, you will direct get answer in set C. That is the composition of true function. G circle F means it is from set A to C. So write the definition of this function. Definition: if A and B are A, B, C are any three sets, let capital A, B and C are any three sets, तीन सेट होना चाहिए, and F is a function from A to B. That is, F is a function from A to B, and G is a function from B to C. That is, G is a function from B to C. Then the composition of these two functions, then the composition of these two functions F and G is denoted by G circle F, and G circle F equals to G of F of X for every X belongs to set A. Here this domain X belongs to set A. So in this way we can define the composition of two functions. So it means if I take the domain of the function, suppose G circle F of, see, G circle F of Prajjot, G circle F of Prajjot फॉर एग्जाम्पल. सो यहाँ पे प्रज्योत जो है ये रोल नंबर है और इसका ये कोड है 1 2 3 5. सो G सर्कल F of प्रज्योत, सो F of प्रज्योत G of F of प्रज्योत हो जाएगा. ओके, सो G of F of प्रज्योत क्या है देखो, प्रज्योत 4 1 2 3 5 6 2 4 1 प्रज्योत 4 1 2 3 5 6 2. So under the function G now, what is the image of 4 1 2 3 5 6 2? So image of this is 1 2 3 5. So this will be 1 2 3 5. So if I take here domain, supposing element Prajjot in the first set, so directly I am getting this answer 1 2 3 5, which is code number is 1 2 3 5, like that. Take some examples. Example. Let F is a function from 2 3 4 5, set 2 3 4 5 to set 3 4 5 9, and there is another set, and G is a function from set 3 4 5 9 to set 7 11 15, 7 11 and 15. Be the function defined as f of 2 equals to 3, f of 3 equals to 4, f of 4 equals to 5, f of 5 equals to also 5, and g of 3 equals to g of 4, g of 3 and g of 4 having the same image, that is 7, and g of 5 and g of 9 having image 11. Find g circle f. g circle f आपको निकालना है. g circle f. Okay. So here f is a function from this set to this set. Means this is your set A. Suppose set A is 1, 2, 3, 4. Containing the element 1, 2, 3. A to B. Set B is 3, 4, 5, 9. Set B. So f is a function from A to B here. F is a function from A to B. Then G is a function, the same element 3, 4, 5, 9. B to C, to take another set, that is C. C set 7, 11, 15. Now, under the function f of 1 is, what is f of 1? 2 is 3. Sorry, 1 is not. Sorry. 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry. 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 3, 4, 5, 9. Then 3, 4, 5, 9 to 7, 11, 5. Okay. Now, what is f of 2? What is f of 2? F of 2. What is the image of 2 under the function here? That is 3. So 2 is related with 3. F of 3. What is the image of 3 under the function here? It is related with 4. F of 4. It is 5. And f of 5 is also 5. So it is a function. It is one function, not onto, because mine is not relating here, not onto function. It is one function. Okay. Now next, under the function g, there is a function, another function g from B to C. What is g of 3? What is g of 3 is 7. G of 4 is also 7. So 3 and 4, these two numbers are related with 7. Okay. G of 5 and G of 9 is 11. G of 5 and G of 9 is 11. Okay. That is the function. How they match the numbers, it depends on that. It's the relation. Okay. It is also here also this 15 is left, no problem. So from B to C, it is also many one function. Many numbers are relating with one number. Many numbers are relating with one number. Many one function. This is not one function. Here it is one function. A to B. From B to C, it is many one function. The function f is also not onto function because 9 is left here. From B to C, also not onto function because 15 is left there. Okay. Now you have to find G circle f. Now find G circle f. तो f लेके एक एलिमेंट ले लो. G circle f means G circle f of 2 का निकालते. G circle f of 2 means G of f of 2. G of f of 2. What is f of 2? F of 2 is 3. So that is G of 3. What is G of 3? G of 3 is 7. Therefore, G circle f of 2 is 7. Now take another element. G circle f of 3. F of 3. That is G of f of 3. So G of what is f of 3? Is 4. What is G of 4? 4 is related to 7. Again 7. G circle f of 4 निकालो. G circle f of 4. So G of f of 4, that is G of what is f of 4? F of 4 is 5. 5. What is g of 5? 5 is related with 11. So that is the last one. G circle f of 5. F of 5 is g of f of 5. That is g of, what is f of 5? F of 5 is 5. Then what is g of 5? G of 5 is 11. G of 5 is 11. In this way, we can find the composition of two numbers, two functions here. And last one question. Find G circle F and F circle G if F is a function from R to R and G is a function from R to R, real number to real number, are given by f of x equal to cos x and g of x equal to 3x square, so that G circle F is not equal to F circle G. F circle G. First of all, take two functions here. F of x is cos x. F of x is cos x. With this function is, if I put here x, so range become cos x. Okay, cos x. यहाँ पे x है तो यहाँ पे x है, यहाँ y रहेगा तो यहाँ पे y रहेगा. X will replace by y. Okay, and g of x 3 into x square. What is g of x? G of x is 3 into domain square. Whatever the domain is there, 3 into domain square. Under the function g, if it is g of t, so answer will be 3t square. If g of 5y, so this will be 3 into 5y square, like that. Domain square, 3 into domain square. Whatever the domain is there, this is the function. G is the function such that g of x equal to 3 times domain square. This is the function. Now, you have to find G circle F and F circle G, and you have to check whether these are equal or not. So first, G circle F is equal to G of F of x. G of F of x. What is F of x? G of, what is F of x? Cos x. Cos x equal to, so g of x is 3x square, 3 into domain square. So g of cos x will be 3 into domain square. So that is 3 into cos x square. Because g is a function such that g of x is 3 times domain square. 3 times domain, this domain square. So domain is cos x, so 3 times domain square. So that is 3 cos square x. 3 cos square x. So G circle F is 3 cos square x, and F circle G means F of G of x, F of G of x, G of x. x क्यों कहते हैं कि जो 3 सेट होते हैं A B C, यहाँ A B C ये फंक्शन F होता है, ये G होता है. तो इस फंक्शन के लिए A x लेते हैं हम डोमेन. इस फंक्शन के लिए एक्चुअली F of x होता है, लेकिन इस फंक्शन के लिए वो x बनेगा. Okay, so f of g of x equals to, what is g of x? G of x is 3x square, 3x square, 3x square. Now, what is f of 3x square? So f of x is, f of x means cos x, cos of that domain, cos of that domain. So here it will be cos of 3x square. Cos of domain, whatever the domain is there, cos of domain. So here f of x is cos of this domain x. Here domain is 3x square. The domain of the function f is 3x square. So f of 3x square will be cos of 3x square. 3x square. So here the value of g circle f is 3 cos square x. 3 cos square x. And f circle g is cos 3x square. Are these value equal? No, definitely not equal. Therefore, from this we can write g circle f is not equal to f circle g. Okay. Thank you. We will continue next session.